Students, in this video, we are going to learn how to form the present continuous tense. In this video, we are going to learn how to form the present continuous tense. We use is, am or are plus ing form of the verb. Let's see. I am walking. So with I, we use am in present tense. You know, with I we use am in present tense. So here we will use I am plus first form of the verb walk. Walk is the original form of the verb and we add ing in the original form of the verb. So it will be walking. I am walking. I के साथ हम am यूज़ करते हैं प्रेजेंट टेंस में, फिर जो वर्ब है वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म है उसमें हम ing ऐड करते हैं. जब ing ऐड होगा तो ये कंटिन्यूस टेंस शो करने लगता है. किसी भी फर्स्ट फॉर्म में वर्ब के फर्स्ट फॉर्म में ing ऐड रहता है तो वो कंटिन्यूटी शो करता है. मीन्स वो एक्शन अभी किए जा रहे हैं, वो कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. सो आई एम वॉकिंग. नेक्स्ट, शी इज़ राइडिंग बाइसिकल. Here with she we use is because she is a singular subject. So with singular subject we use is. She is riding. Ride, R-I-D-E, ride. Ride means cycle chalana, ride. So ride is a original form of the verb. So here we add ing. So it will be R-I-D-I-N-G, riding bicycle. Riding is a ing form of the verb ride. We use is. We use is any with any singular subject in the third person. हम is का use he, she, it और कोई भी singular subject जो है उसके साथ करते हैं present tense में. And plus ing form of the verb रहेगा. is, am, are plus ing form present continuous tense में होता है, लेकिन हम is का use कब करेंगे? जब किसी सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट की बात की जाएगी. लाइक ही, शी, इट. तो ये ही, शी, इट प्रोनाउन हो गया. अगर कोई नाउन है तो वो भी सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए. सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट इन द थर्ड पर्सन प्लस ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. एंड विद वी, यू, दे. विद वी, यू और दे और एनी प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट वी यूज आर प्लस ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. वी, यू, दे के साथ हम आर यूज़ करते हैं प्लस ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब रहेगा. और अगर कोई प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट है, वी, यू, दे भी प्लूरल है लेकिन ये प्रोनाउंस है, और कोई नाउन है वो भी प्लूरल होना चाहिए, तब हम वहाँ पर आर प्लस ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज़ करेंगे. द ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. In case of most verbs, we add ing to the original form of the verb. बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ब्स हैं जिसमें हम केवल ing ऐड करते हैं, उसका ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में ing ऐड करते हैं. लाइक स्लीप, स्लीपिंग, प्ले, प्लेइंग, ईट, ईटिंग, वॉक, वॉकिंग, रीड, रीडिंग. When a verb ends in e, when a verb ends in e, we omit the e and add ing. कुछ ऐसे वर्ब्स हैं जिसका एंड लेटर जो होता है, एंडिंग साउंड ई होता है, एंड में लास्ट लेटर ई है, तो वहाँ पर हम ई को रिमूव करते हैं. वी रिमूव ई एंड वी एड ing. लाइक राइज, R-I-S-E, राइज. तो हियर वी रिमूव ई. So it will be RIS plus ing, rising, ride, riding, shine, shining. When a verb ends in e, जब कोई verb है वो e से end कर रहा है तो वहाँ पर हम e को remove करेंगे और फिर उसमें ing ऐड करते हैं. e के साथ हम ing नहीं ऐड करेंगे. लाइक RISEING, it is wrong. We remove e, then we add ing. In case of certain verbs, we double the last letter before adding ing. कुछ ऐसे verbs होते हैं जिनको हम ing फॉर्म बनाते समय उसका जो लास्ट लेटर है उसे हम डबल करते हैं, उसके बाद हम ing ऐड करते हैं. लाइक रन, running, hit, hitting, shut, shutting. क्लियर? सो कुछ ऐसे वर्ब्स हैं, सर्टेन वर्ब्स है जिसका हम लास्ट लेटर डबल करते हैं, उसके बाद ही हम ING ऐड करते हैं. RUNING रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. HITING इज रॉन्ग. HITTING हिटिंग. RUNNING रनिंग. SHUTTING shutting. When verbs end in IE, we change IE to Y and then add ING. कुछ ऐसे वर्ब्स हैं जो IE से एंड हो रहे हैं, तो जब IE से एंड होंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे, वी चेंज IE टू Y. IE के जगह पर हम Y लिखते हैं और उसके बाद से ING ऐड करते हैं, लाइक डाई, DIE डाई प्लस ING. सो इट विल बी DYING डाइंग. TIE टाई प्लस ING is equal to TYING tying. LIE lie plus ING, ये हो जाएगा LYING line. Let's do some exercise. Write down the ING form of the following verbs. Write down the ING form of the following verbs. First is send, SEND, send. So in this verb we add only ING, so it will be sending, SENDING, sending. Write, WRITE, write means likhna, so it will be writing. So here we learnt about when a verb ends in E, so we remove the E and add ING. So here it will be writing, WRITING, writing. We remove Y and then we add ING, so it will be writing, WRITING, writing. Carry, 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 so it will be carrying, CARRYING, carrying. Watch, watching. Blow, blowing. Sing, singing. Drink, drinking. Hide, hiding. Say this verb is also end in E, so we remove E and then we add ING, HIDING, hiding. Fly, flying, FLYING, flying. Talk, talking. Die, dying. So here we remove IE, we change IE to Y. Then we add ING, so it will be dying, DYING, dying. Hit, hit, hitting. In case of certain verbs we double the last letter, then we add ING, so here we will double the last letter, so it will be hitting, HITTING, hitting. Change the sentences into present continuous tense by changing the verbs into the present continuous form. Students, few sentences are written over here and we have to change these sentences into present continuous tense. If we change these sentences into present continuous tense, we have to change the verbs also into the present continuous forms, because the verbs which are given in these sentences are not in present continuous forms. And we know that if we write a sentence into present continuous tense, so we will use is, am, are after the subject. We will use is, am, are after subject plus ING form of the verb. जब हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस का सेंटेंस बनाते हैं तो उसमें हम सब्जेक्ट के बाद इज, एम, आर लिखते हैं, उसके बाद ओरिजिनल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब में ING ऐड करते हैं. And we can see that in all these sentences the verbs are given and these all verbs are not in present continuous form, so we have to change these verbs also into the present continuous form. So the first sentence is, the dog hides under the car. The dog hides under the car. So when we convert this sentence into present continuous tense, so it will be the dog is hiding under the car. The dog is hiding because here the subject is the dog and the dog is a singular subject. So with singular subject we will use is in present tense. The dog is plus ing form of the original verb. Ing form of the verb. So what will be the ing form of the verb hides? Hiding. The dog is hiding under the car. Father speaks on the phone. Father speaks on the phone. So father is a singular subject. So we will write father is then ing form of the verb speaks. Father is speaking on the phone. We will remove s from speaks and then we will add ing. Father is speaking on the phone. Next, the horse jumps over the fence. The horse jumps over the fence. So in this sentence also subject is singular. The horse. So we will add is. Here we will add is plus ing form of the verb jump. So it will be the horse is jumping over the fence. The horse is jumping over the fence. Next, she plays the guitar. She plays the guitar. So when we convert this sentence into present continuous tense, so it will be she is playing the guitar because she is also a singular subject. She plus is plus ing form of the verb. So ing form of the verb will be playing because here the verb is plays. She is playing the guitar. Next, Pia and Ria talk to each other. Pia and Ria talk to each other. Pia and Ria talk to each other. So in this sentence, subject is Pia and Ria. And in this sentence, there are two nouns. There are two nouns. So it is a plural subject. Pia and Ria because in this sentence, there are two persons. इसलिए ये plural subject है. So when the subject is plural, so we will use are. We will use are for plural subject in present tense. So we will write Pia and Ria are, then ing form of the verb means talking. Pia and Ria are talking to each other. Next, they show their medals to everybody. They show their medals to everybody. They, with they we use are. They are showing their medals to everybody. They are showing their medals to everybody. Next, we go to the park. So it will be we are going to the park. We are going to the park. Sonia and Jia swim in the nearby pool. So in this sentence also, students, there are two persons. It means it's a plural subject. Sonia and Jia. It's a plural subject, so with plural subject we will use are plus ing form of the verb. So Sonia and Jia are swimming in the nearby pool. The vendor sells wooden furniture. The vendor sells wooden furniture. So in this sentence, subject is the vendor and it's a singular subject. So it will be the vendor is selling wooden furniture. We will remove as from the word sells and then we will add ing. So it will be the vendor is selling wooden furniture. And the last one is Veena stands in the balcony. Veena, in this sentence the subject is Veena and it's a singular subject. So we will write Veena is standing in the balcony. Match the following. Students, you have to match it. First of all, you have to focus on the subjects. So subjects are written in first column like I, we, they, he, Seema and you. And in second column predicates are written. In first column subjects are written and in second column predicates are written. तो हमें क्या करना है इसमें सब्जेक्ट को फोकस करना है like I, we, they, he, Seema and you. And we know that with I we will use am plus ing form of the verb in present continuous tense, and with he, she, it or any singular subject we use is plus ing form of the verb, and with we, you, they or plural subject, with we, you, they or any plural subject we use are plus ing form of the verb. तो इसमें आप सब्जेक्ट्स को देखेंगे, सब्जेक्ट्स को ध्यान में रख करके हम प्रेडिकेट्स पढ़ेंगे और उसके बाद उसे मैच करेंगे. लाइक फर्स्ट इज आई, सो विद आई विच प्रेडिकेट कैन बी सुटेबल लाइक आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द कॉम्पिटिशन, इज लुकिंग फॉर यू, is not coming to the library today, are leaving with them, are waiting for you at the gate, or am reading an interesting book. So with I we use am plus ing form of the verb in present continuous tense. So F, am reading an interesting book is correct answer. So we will match I with am reading an interesting book. So like this you have to do this exercise. Complete the sentences given below using the present continuous tense of the verbs given in brackets. Complete the sentences given below using the present continuous tense of the verbs given in brackets. Verbs are given in brackets and you have to use these verbs which are given in brackets in present continuous form. जो sentences लिखे गए हैं उसके लिए ऑप्शन जो है वो ब्रैकेट में दिए गए हैं. उन verbs को आपको प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म में करके सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग आपको इज, एम, आर का यूज़ करना है. उसके बाद जो वर्ब्स हैं ब्रैकेट्स में उसे आईएनजी फॉर्म में लिख करके सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करने हैं. लाइक फातिमा डैश इन द प्ले एंड द वर्ब इज एक्ट. So here Fatima is a singular subject. So with Fatima we will write is. We will use is plus ing form of the verb. And what is the verb for this sentence? Act. So here we will write Fatima is acting in the play. Fatima is acting in the play. Next, Tina dash to music and the verb is listen. Next, the telephone dash and the verb is ring. Father dash several saplings in our garden. Father dash several saplings in our garden. Verb is plant. The sun dash and the birds dash in the sky. Here two blanks are given. There are two blanks and two verbs are also given, rise and fly. So for the sun, for the subject, the sun, we have to use verb rise, and for the subject, the birds, we have to use verb fly. Next, They dash from school and the verb is return. Mother dash a cake for me. Verb is bake. We dash for the school bus. Verb is wait. Next, Malini dash a song. The verb is sing. Last sentence is the boys dash television. Here we have to fill the verb watch. तो ब्रैकेट्स में जो वर्ब्स दिए गए हैं उसे आपको ing फॉर्म में लिखना है और उसके पहले हम सब्जेक्ट्स के अकॉर्डिंग इज एम आर का यूज़ करेंगे. उसके बाद ये वर्ब्स को वहाँ पर ing फॉर्म में राइट करेंगे.